crocheting might be fun and rewarding. It's a very great hobby for someone, but for beginners it can sometimes be a bit tricky. So if you're a beginner or you're planning to get started with crochet, this video is for you. Stick around to the end. Hopefully you'll find something useful. You need to choose the right materials. Choosing the right materials will help you get started. Things like yarn, hooks, scissors, and stitch markers. You need to select a medium weight yarn, and the hook size is normally written on the yarn labels. So you should use the hook that is recommended for the yarn you've chosen to use. And choose light colored yarn. Either white, blue, pink, but avoid black at any cost. Avoid black at any cost. The stitch markers will help you like trace your work. Track or trace? Trace your work. This is track. The stitch markers will help you track your work, because as a beginner, when you're working, remember you might be counting the stitches. Either you're adding more or less. And secondly, you need to learn the basic stitches. Watch videos on YouTube, beginner-friendly videos on YouTube, and check Pinterest. Oh, that's my best place to go for inspiration. Check Pinterest. You can either find written patterns or links that lead you to YouTube to get the best videos that would help you, learn faster. Be patient with yourself, and practice makes perfect. The best way to learn crochet is to practice. So it's okay for the first goal not to come out the way you maybe envisioned it in your head. It's okay. And then thirdly, you can join you should join Facebook groups. Facebook groups help. A lot of people share their work there, inspiration, or they recommend videos and all that. So talking about the basic stitches, you need to learn how to make a chain stitch, you need to learn the double crochet stitch, you need to learn the single crochet stitch, you need to learn the half double crochet stitch. So when I started resuming my crochet, I watched one particular video on YouTube. She's called Jaden in Stitches. I'll link her YouTube. No, I'm not paid to do this. I'll link her YouTube in the description so you can find her. She has very nice beginner friendly tutorials. She's not the only one who has, but there are more. You can still hunt for more on YouTube. So once you're comfortable with the basic stitches, find a tutorial, a project that you want to work on. I'd say go for a granny blanket. Yes, sorry, that was my son. He was asking for something. So yeah, like I said, join those Facebook groups. People share tips on there, and then when you find a project you want to work on, when you're comfortable with those stitches, the basic stitches, there you can get started. Well, this video was not planned for. It just came on me that I should share a few tips with you. So if you found this helpful, please let me know in the comment section, like and share the video.